Hello everyone, welcome to the 8 Plus English Language School free online course. Today we'll discuss about articles. We are invited to join me. If you have any question or comments, please leave at the end of the lecture. تخبركم تعزلتوا إنكم عنا 8 Plus English قوم قبل تمرت بدأ حمد أخوم لومي بزعبة أملكاتي سملا برزيل على السنزتنا مساحة بكم تصنحوا بخبر عندكم. So articles are words that define a noun as specific or specific. The words a and there are called articles, and articles are used only when we talk about specific things, person, place, or object. Okay, when we're talking about general, we don't use article. So there are two types of article: indefinite article a and an indefinite article the. So articles way أملكات سمن ولهم noun وسن دي وسن مغلط ونعمل. So يوم words a and then ولهم كاني articles أملكات سمن نزوع مالتهم. اتي ويتيا وي حاجه الا نزوع مالتهم بتغريا مال سو ارتكلز ار يوزد بزعبه وسنا كنزاركم نطلع ارتكل نتكم زي معامل كاسن نتكم تليفون انتكمنا مالت كل عند ارتكل لنا وسن دي وسنات اي اند ان وي حاجه مالتي وسنات كاني ذا مالتي سو indefinite article a and an ترجمهم one اوكي حاجه مالتي a boy حاجه قلعه an elephant حاجه حرمه ስለዚህ እዚኦም حاجه ኢና ማለት ማዕሻን ተቀመሎም we use articles one with singular countable only مزجو تصور خوينم نصل طريان تكملهم مز نصل تكم طراي حاله number 2 the listener is not aware about the object تسمعوا الاكل بزعبات ينزروا الاكل ديفلت I saw a dog حدا خل بري اين خلبي يفلطوني لذي to introduce an object نحن نغرات نمللاي كنتكملهم before the names of profession he's a doctor he's an engineer he's a nurse she's a nurse okay لذي before name of profession so first one is after the word such such this indefinite article تكم such a beautiful girl such an amazing story okay so these are words what we use a and an have different function a is used with consonant initial a قدمي consonant جمل قاتنا نتكمل okay a dog a fox a boy a man and etc okay and John is reading a book John حنت مصحف نبالو would you like a peach had a peach مدل خالو that is a dog is that a dog or a fox هذا خلي بدي حدا تخلا you will need a ruler pencil حنتي مسمر حنتي إرساس تدلكا مالتي second one is an is used with a vowel a e i o u initial okay so words that start with a e i o u an apple an orange an umbrella focus about an umbrella an island okay so a e i o u ናይ vowel sounds alone تكملوا مالتنا there is an entrance at the back متوي an endurance have you ever seen an elephant حرماز an elephant I always take an apple to school بيتمرت كل شيء ميل مالاي an apple do you have an umbrella that I can borrow سلالا لك هذا وقت لك حد خير would you like to live on an island أب دسيت كنا برمدال خادو an island so اليوم vowel جمرو an island جمرو but exception لنا لونا first one is an is used with the vowel sound of silent h there are words that start with consonant which is h but h is not pronounced let's see an hour hour بلنا an hour نعم ስለዚህ exception the h دي جمر قالت كله ግን h دي መጸሎም an ነህብም ማለት for example an hour hour እንብልና an honor አይንብልና an honest አይንብልና okay an hair አይኮን ስለዚህ እዚም ኩሎም እዚም ከምዚም ዝምስል ቃላት h دي መጸሎም an ነህብም ማለት because ናይ o ድምጽ ስለሎም we have been waiting here for an hour ሓርስ ኣክል ኣክል ጽበጽ ኢሕና an hour meeting the president was an honor for all of us نتي president مركبنا نبعك عبي خوري لذي an honor زي خان the second exception is a is used with the consonant sound of u which sound like what y in case of u لذي u كندم تلوا أربعة a u u u إذا درب دفلك ما أبناي phonetics of English alphabet phonetics of English letter بلالو رأيو so a u u وتا u تبدلا consonant خالق I for example an umbrella نبل but u جن consonant a university a uniform a union a unit a unicorn okay لازم كلهم بيو جمر خوينهم vowel كله جن u ناي consonant دم سلالوا a نبوم مالهم كلون a European Union a European country a euro لازم e u جمر كله خلت vowel كله جن e I دم مسيو u خان ناي y دم سيزلوس لازم a European country نورمالتي بتكرنيا أوروبا نقول بإنجليزي كن يوروب نقول مالته أوكي سلازي زي تسولف زلك مالته either a university in your town أب كتمهون university لورو a university does every child wear in school wear uniform كل تمهارة بيت مرتي دي بيزال بستو we are taking a European vacation this summer زخرمتي ناب أوروبا كنكيرينا Germany is a European country German أب أوروبا سركب ሀገር እያ አለ ማለት ነው so this is all about the second one is in the first one the second one is definite article them the can يترجم كله زي ويتيا مالتي so the is used with countable and countable noun unlike the indefinite articles مالتي it is مزقطر مقولت يوم تقبلهم تم indefinite article كن مش specifically مش زقطر خيام نتسلم تقبلهم مالتي تم indefinite article زجن مش زقطر تقبلهم خيام مالتي when talking about known things or things that are introduced before مش فلت أدخل نجارات بيكاني أقدمهم مسترال نيم نجارات كاني then تكم the earth revolves around the sun the earth فلت نجاري the sun كفلت نجاري that is sitting in the garden known things who made the mess on the carpet لذي no read and read way تلاقي نازلنا دارم مالتي I'll wait for you in the car is already introduced before the boys are upstairs and the girls are outside this is also plural and the water is clean كده نخلينا إذا countable نعمل the phonetics of the بالكالات كده أدام تسألوا the and the نقولهم with consonants and words that takes article a لازم مش consonant ويجمعوا كلاته ويكانوا a دوست كلات ريمالتي the sun the moon the university the European Union لذي the إلنا دمنا دمتسلم كلمة consonant يجمع كلات ويكاني a دوستو كلات مالتي the look at before vowels or words that take the article an the earth the elephant the honor the honest woman right so the earth revolves around the sun the earth the sun لذي sun consonant ስለሆነ the sun e vowel ስለሆነ the earth the hair of the house is coming so the air the house جمعني توم كنفعلنا ماله the last one is no article we don't use article a when we are talking about general things بحافش عن زركولنا article عندكمنا I can ride horse we don't say a horse okay I can ride horse I can ride bicycle which horse in general he loves eating cake which cake in general my sister doesn't like chicken which chicken بحافشة sister درها أتفتح the second one is before names of countries unless the country is made up of smaller unit of consonant for example I am from Ethiopia I am from Eritrea we don't say I am from the Eritrea لذي name of countries كل شيء what articles عندكمنا مالتيو she's going to America we don't say she's going to the America okay she's going to America but United Kingdom is made from small states or countries so the United Kingdom or the UK level USA United States of America is also made from group of states the USA level مالتيو alright so this we use article we don't use article in general before the name of countries another one is we don't use article when we talk about sport or games بزعبا sport or صوت نتكلم article نتكلمنا I like football I don't like basketball I can play volleyball لازم بزعبا صوت نتكلم article نتكلمنا we don't use article before names of language I can speak German language which is Dutch I can speak English I can speak Amharic I can speak Tigrinya لازم this is كرمي ناي شمناي قامقا article نتكلمنا مالتي أمريكا نتكلمنا do not use article before names of meals if they refer to meals in general as part of daily routine I'm going to eat lunch we don't say I'm going to eat the lunch okay I'm going to eat dinner or we are going to eat dinner we don't say we are going to eat the dinner so we don't use أملكات سن كرمي مقبتات عندكمنا مالتي and before our part of our bodies okay for example my arm my leg okay I hurt my arm يجري تهريمه تدخلها I hurt the arm I تقولنا okay I hurt my arm لذيذ يوم كأني بزعبا أنا what do you call indefinite general we don't use articles before the following things so here the exercise fill in the blank space with a and the or no article which is represented by x so pause the video and do the exercise by yourself لذيذ يا دوا بلكم بعلهم رأيوا مالتي and here are the answer compare your answer with what you have done I hope you have done it very well and this is all about articles definitely no article if you have any question leave it in the comment thank you